Well guys, I usually start out these videos with a little cinematic thing of the truck, but I can't do that because I can't reveal the front end yet. It's not done yet. 75% of it's done, but waiting on the last 25 to come in. So rod run crunch time is real, but that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So how's it going, everybody? Trucks and Water here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about rod run and what my plans are for rod run. So spring rod run 2019. Well, as y'all might know, I've been kind of spotty about it because I haven't been sure what I'm doing the front end yet. But now that the front end's pretty much almost done, rod run's of course gonna be the first event that I'm gonna show off the front end. So if you can't make it a rod run, don't worry. The video will be dropping that Friday, this Friday coming up of rod run. Be at the pre-party. I'll be dropping the video then. Of course, you know, you can all see it and whatnot. But my plans are for rod run. It's me, my girlfriend, that you see on the vlogs, Hunter and Ivy, which you see on the vlogs. We've got a cabin up there. We're staying there Friday afternoon, Saturday, and Sunday. I will be at the pre-party, which is at Quaker Steak and Lube over by NASCAR Speed Park in the lower park lot that's underneath the bridge. Please come by. Tennessee Diesel, Ryan is hosting it. He's a great guy. I know him. It keeps getting bigger and bigger every single year. Make sure you get there early, get a good parking spot, and I'll see you down there. Of course, I will be filming that event, so don't be afraid to come and say hi, guys. I get messages all the time like, hey, I saw you. Hey, I saw you at the event. Guys, I'm just a normal guy that makes YouTube videos about his truck and other people's trucks and puts them on YouTube. There's nothing special about me, nothing different about me between you and me. The only difference is I'm talking to the camera and you're just watching me through your phone or iPad or laptop or desktop or whatever you use to watch YouTube videos through. So don't be afraid to come say hi to me, show off the truck or show off your truck to me. I'm more than willing to walk around, look at trucks. I love doing that. Now, I am not tagging anybody in the video. So when the video of the vlog of Rod Run go live, no one's going to be tagged in it. The last time I did that, well, I think it was like spring or fall Rod Run of 2018. I can't remember. I got a lot of well, I'll be honest with you, a lot of butthurt messages. I can't filter through all the trucks and pick everybody out. It'll take me like 3 weeks to make a video, and I can't do that. So I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm not gonna tag anybody in the video. Now, that also being said, if I catch anybody illegally downloading my videos and posting them up on their Instagram or their YouTube and not tagging me in it, I'm going to report them as copyright, and if I have to take legal action, I'll take legal action. Some of you may be alarmed by that and be like, well, it's just a YouTube video. Well, I make money off this, I'm not going to lie to you all. So, just putting that forewarning out there. So, anyways, so don't be afraid to come and say hi, guys. Don't be afraid to come and say hi to the family. Unfortunately, Colin and Colt and all of them from Harper Tire and Harper Tire Crew won't be there. So the whole family won't be completely there. But come up and say hi, guys. Really appreciate it. You know, come up and see the truck. You know, again, not going to show you the front of it. Well, there's a little sneak peek right there. But I'm not going to show you the front of the truck. But, make sure you come up and say hi, guys. We really appreciate all the support and all the love you all give us. And then Saturday, of course, is the actual Truck Fest event over at the Smoky baseball stadium in the parking lot. Please come out to that, guys. It's going to be a huge event. It keeps growing every single year, and I can't be so grateful that it keeps growing like it has, because this is kind of my hometown event. This is the event that I go to every single year. It's a big event up at Rod Run, and all that stuff. Now, go up there. Now, I will say, though, guys, please be respectful at these both events. Don't do burnouts. Don't bring your own alcohol, anything like that. Don't be stupid. Be smart. Be wise. And we're all going to have a great time. Keep the drama to yourself or on the keyboard, because a lot of you, I know, will just type it out on the keyboard anyways. But, you know, keep that away, guys. We're here to enjoy each other's trucks, enjoy the camaraderie, catch up with old friends, catch up with friends that come from out of state. So make sure you you abide by those rules, or abide by those kind of things, guys, and make this event even better. Now, as of the strip, Friday night, I'm not sure if I'm going to be out on the strip or not. I'm not going to say I am. I'm not going to say I'm not. I might make one lap around the strip and go back to the cabin, because the cops keep getting worse every single year. I understand their position. You got a bunch of some idiots sometimes out there doing some stupid stuff, but it's getting to the point where, God forbid, you have a modified vehicle with you know, I'd only drive my truck in Mexico because of the illegal window tint. But, you know, it's stuff like that that keeps on ruining the nightlife of rod run stuff. But I might make a couple laps around, or probably a lap Friday. Saturday night I will be out on the strip. We'll make a lap or so. So if you see me in traffic, don't be afraid to say hi, wave. I'm not going to be throwing beads or anything like that. But don't be afraid to come up to me, guys. And let's enjoy this event because, you know, it keeps growing every single year. I keep meeting more and more of you all, and this is kind of the event that started Trucks and Water, that got me on the map, really. My first video to break 20,000 views was the rod run video back, I think it was fall or spring. No, spring rod run 2017 was the first video to break 20,000 views on my channel, which is crazy to think about. That overall, it'll be a year, 2 years that I've done this for rod run and stuff. But huge shout out to Ryan with Tennessee Diesel, man. Thank you so much for hosting this event once again this year. Can't wait to be there, guys. I'm sorry if I sound stuffed up, by the way. This weather, this pollen's awful right now in East Tennessee. But let's all enjoy it, guys. You know, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment them down below. Try to get back to you. But if you want a fast response, DM me on Instagram. Of course, links and tags will be all down in the description. I hope you all, other than that, guys, I hope you all have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.